On today's menu, a recipe that really is a piece of cake. Vegan matcha cheesecake. Lei ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. Did you know that I published the first ever vegan ramen cookbook? If you'd like to learn more about this book, you can click the link above or in the description box below. Vegan cheesecake is so easy to make, it's definitely one of my absolute favorites. This showstopper cake, you definitely have to make. Blender. 1 cup almonds. 1 cup unsweetened dry coconut. 10 pitted medjool dates. A generous pinch of pink salt. Pulse the blender to get it going, then blend on medium-high. Springform pan. Use the bottom of the pan to create an outline through parchment paper. Place the bottom and the parchment paper back into the pan. Pour in the crumble. Flatten well with a spoon to form the crust. Place in the freezer for 30 to 45 minutes. Clean blender. 3 cups cashews. If you have a high-powered blender, you don't have to pre-soak the cashews. 1 cup water. 1 cup maple syrup. Half cup melted coconut oil. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Quarter cup fresh lemon juice. Generous pinch of pink salt. Blend on high until emulsified. Set aside 2 tablespoons of cake mixture. Pour the cake mixture over the crust. Smooth out the mixture with a spoon. Matcha bowl and sieve. Sieve 2 teaspoons of matcha powder to prevent clumps. Two tablespoons of hot water. Whisk. Pour the matcha into the cake mixture. Whisk. Now this is the part you've been waiting for. Place some dots of matcha on top of the cake. Swirl the matcha with a skewer to create an incredible design. Is that not beautiful or what? Place in the freezer for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Carefully remove the pan. Remove the gloss and parchment paper. Now you just need to defrost it about 30 minutes before serving, or my favorite method is to leave it in the fridge for a few hours before serving. Now you just have to get an incredibly beautiful cake stand. You can now make this incredible cheesecake with absolute confidence. So incredibly simple, and you have this amazing, impressive, and absolutely delicious dessert. Just incredible. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.